It's the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS.
Rate this exhaust from 1 to 10 in the comments. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS.
Welcome back to All Bike Pro. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that perfectly blends vintage charm with modern muscle, the 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS from Kawasaki. This bike carries the spirit of the classic Z lineage but delivers performance that feels completely up to date. Motorcycle timeless design with modern touch. The 2026 Z900RS stays true to its retro roots. From the iconic teardrop fuel tank to the round LED headlight and classic twin-dial instrument cluster, everything about this bike reflects heritage. Kawasaki has carefully combined old-school styling with premium finishes and bold paint schemes that make it stand out on the road. Despite its vintage inspiration, the fit and finish are thoroughly modern, giving riders the best of both worlds. Gear 948cc inline-four performance. Under the tank sits a 948cc liquid-cooled inline-four engine. Unlike aggressive supersport tuning, this engine focuses on smooth, usable power. The throttle response is refined, the mid-range torque is strong, and acceleration feels effortless whether you're cruising in the city or pushing on open roads. The exhaust note is deep and distinctive, a signature inline-four sound that adds excitement to every ride. Hammer and wrench modern technology and ride quality. The 2026 Z900RS comes equipped with traction control, ABS braking, and an assist and slipper clutch for smoother gear shifts. The suspension setup offers a balanced ride, combining comfort with confident cornering ability. The upright seating position and wide handlebars provide a relaxed yet controlled riding posture, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. Bullseye: who should consider it? This bike is perfect for riders who love classic motorcycle aesthetics but demand modern reliability and performance. It appeals to experienced riders who appreciate heritage as well as newer riders looking for a stylish, powerful machine. Speaker: final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Z900RS proves that retro styling and modern engineering can coexist beautifully. With its timeless design, smooth inline-four engine, and everyday practicality, it remains one of the most attractive neo-retro motorcycles available today. If you're searching for a bike that delivers character, performance, and iconic looks, the Z900RS deserves serious attention. Stay tuned to All Bike Pro for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe and keep the throttle alive.